Hello, Ananda.
Yesterday we have completed, not completed events. After completing the JavaScript, once again we can see the what is the event, how to handle the exceptions in HTML also along with JavaScript also. First, before learning the total complete lecture of the which one events, first we need to learn the JavaScript overview. What is first we need to learn the what is a JavaScript? JavaScript is a dynamic computer programming language. It is a dynamic computer programming language. What is dynamic means? Whenever we are going to be running some web page on the web browser, at that time also we are going to be change the data. That is called dynamic. Dynamically we are going to be changing the data, or we are going to be updating the data, or we are going to be modifying the data, or we are going to be adding some additional features. That is called dynamic. JavaScript is a dynamic computer programming language. It is a lightweighted and most commonly used as a part of the web pages. Where we are going to be using most commonly whenever we are going to be creating the web pages, mainly we are going to be using the which script? JavaScript. Those implemented allows a client-side script to interact with the user and make a dynamic pages. By using that, here we are going to be creating the dynamic web pages. It is an interrupted programming language which object oriented capabilities. Means whenever we are going to be writing the JavaScript program, here we are going to be using the HTML elements also along with object oriented features also we are going to be using, and functions, methods, variable declarations also we can done here. JavaScript was the first known as a live script. Means before previous days, instead of using JavaScript name, we are going to be using the name will be Java live script. But Netscape changed its name as a JavaScript, possibly because of the experiment being generated by the Java. JavaScript is made first appearance when it is implemented by JavaScript in 1995. Netscape Navigator web browser we are going to be using in which version? 2.0 version, with the name of the which name we have given at that time, LiveScript. The general purpose core of the language has been embedded in Netscape, Internet Explorer and web browsers we are going to be using. We can see the highlights of the JavaScript. JavaScript is a lightweight and interrupted programming language. Means it is a interpreted. Means here we are going to be embedding the HTML program also, and we are going to be entering the dynamic web pages. Means here we are going to be using the how many types of technologies? 3 technologies. It is a combination of the technologies. Means here we need to use the HTML program along with the JavaScript, along with the CSS properties also we are going to be using. Designed for creating a network centric applications. It is used for network centric applications. Means web applications if you want to develop, means mainly we are going to be using the JavaScript. Complementary to and integrated with Java. Complementary and integrated with HTML. And open with the cross platform. Means we can open any platform. We can run this one. We need to call it as a, what is the meaning of here? Complementary to integrate with Java. It is a included in Java also, HTML also, and cross platforms also to open. Means anywhere, any platform we can open. Next, we can see the client side JavaScript. JavaScript programs will be developed by client side scripting also and server side scripting also. In client side scripting, if you are developing, means where we need to develop in the local computer. We can see first client side scripting. Client side script, JavaScript is the most common form of the language. The script should be included or referred by the HTML document. Means client side script, JavaScript the most common form of a language. The script should be included or referred by the HTML document. Where we need to place this one in HTML document interrupted, means we can place it there. It means that web page need not to be a static HTML. Means it is not a static HTML page. At that time we are going to be including document, means that HTML page we need to call it as the HTML. That can be included the programs that interact with the users, control the browsers, dynamically create the HTML content. Means at the time of running the web application, we can contact with the browser, control the browser also, interact with the users also, and dynamically create the HTML content. JavaScript client-side mechanism provides many advantages over the traditional CGI. CGI full form command line graphical user interface, server side scripts. For example, you might be use the JavaScript to check if the user has entered valid email address in the form field. The JavaScript code will be executed, the user submit the form. Means if you are entering whenever we are going to be creating in the action attribute, there we have written the URL space, we have given the proper email ID. Then at that time, whatever data filled by the user, it should be submitted to the particular email ID. That is the use of the JavaScript. JavaScript can be used to trap the user initiated events such as a button clicks, link navigation, and other actions user initiate explicitly or implicitly. Means explicitly we can interact with the user, and implicitly also we can interact. Implicitly means whenever we are going to be loading on the page or the web browser, automatically we can call that event. That is the use of the JavaScript. Next we can see the advantages of the JavaScript. Less server interaction, means here less server interaction means we are going to be interacting the server less, means it will be used in less time to interact. You can validate the user input before sending the data of the server. Means whenever we are going to be submitting the form to the server, first we need to validate the data on where, not on the server. We need to locally validate the data. After that only we are going to be submitting the data to the server. This saves the server traffic, means it will be save the server traffic, which means less load on the server. Means we are going to be reducing the burden on the server. That is the use of the less server interaction. Immediate feedback to the advisors, means they won't have to wait for a page reload to see if they have forgotten to enter something. Means suppose whenever we are going to be by filling the form, we have forgotten something to enter. It is mandatory. In the local side of the client side only, we are going to be validating the data. After that only, we are going to be intimating to the user must and should we need to enter the data. That is the use of the immediate feedback to the visitors. Increase interactivity. It means interactivity. You can create an interface to react when the user hovers and overs them. Mouse activates the via keyboard. Means we can interact with the web applications. How? By using keyboard also, single click also, we can use the keyboard also. Richer interfaces, means it can use the JavaScript include the such items, drag and drop components, means automatically we can place the drag and drop components, sliders to give the rich interface to site visitors. Means we are going to be innovatively interactive. Means dynamically we are going to be placing the some components, drag and drop by using. Next we can see the limitations of the JavaScript. We can treat a JavaScript as a full-fledged programming language. It is a programming language. It tracks the following important features. Client-side JavaScript does not allow to read and writing the files. Means client-side JavaScript does not allow read and writing the files. Means it cannot read the file, it cannot write the file. Has been kept security reason only. JavaScript cannot be used in networking applications because of no such support available. Means where we are not going to be using this application JavaScript in networking application. JavaScript does not have any multi-threading, multiprocessor capabilities. Means script means it is a small program. What is the definition of the script? It is a small program only. We cannot run. It is not a multi-threading program, multiprocessor program. Once again, JavaScript is a lightweight interrupted programming language that allows you to build interactively into the otherwise static web pages. If you want to develop the HD dynamic web pages, we need to use the JavaScript along with JavaScript. Thank you, one and all.